how to fix Strava activities with incorrect GPS data. So over here in the Strava Community Hub, someone has the same problem and question in order on how to fix that. So the GPS or data is wrong, but the answer is verified and technically the best answer by them. So the accuracy of GPS mostly depends on the device rather than an app. So having said that, if you're using more tracking apps on the phone and Strava is only on the background, it may have insufficient data. So for better accuracy, you might want to use a watch like over here for tracking, but to already fix the already recorded activity, you can open it on the Strava website. Then in the menu on the left, tap the three dots and then correct distance. So that will recalculate end distance based on map data and should produce more realistic distance and pace information provided that the route on the map is somewhat accurate. So that's pretty much how you fix the GPS or the data wrong problem. Over here, it has been verified for many people, and hopefully this method over here can work for you. And if it can, and if this video will help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.